Guys over 30 should know this about attracting younger women. Don't expect her to follow traditional gender roles. For guys over 30 looking to attract younger women, it's crucial to recognize that the expectations around gender roles have shifted significantly. Younger women today are more likely to reject traditional gender norms, like expecting her to cook, clean, or take care of household chores just because she's a woman. For example, if you're on a date and mention that you expect your future wife to manage the home while you handle the finances, it could be a red flag for her. Instead, show that you value equality by sharing responsibilities and supporting her career or personal ambitions. You might say something like, "I really admire when a couple can balance work and home life together." This shows that you respect her independence and view her as a partner rather than someone to fit into a traditional role. Being open-minded and flexible in your approach to roles within a relationship will make you more appealing and relatable to younger women. Keep your appearance groomed. When it comes to attracting younger women, guys over 30 should pay close attention to grooming. This means more than just a quick shave or throwing on a clean shirt. It's about maintaining a polished appearance that reflects care and confidence. For instance, keep your hair cut fresh. Whether it's a classic style like a short fade or something more contemporary, make sure it suits your face and age. Regularly trim or shape your facial hair to avoid looking unkempt. Pay attention to details like using a quality deodorant, keeping your nails trimmed, and wearing well-fitted clothes that complement your body type. A good cologne, used sparingly, can also add a subtle but appealing touch. Younger women often notice these small details, and showing that you take pride in your appearance can make a strong impression. It signals that you're confident, attentive to your image, and mindful of how you present yourself in social situations. Avoid trying to be someone you're not. For guys over 30, authenticity is key when attracting younger women. Trying to adopt trends that don't align with your personality or pretending to have interests just because you think it will make you more appealing can backfire. For example, if you're not into the latest pop culture phenomenon, don't force yourself to pretend you are. Instead, embrace your own passions and experiences. If you're more into classic rock than today's top 40, own it. Share your love for the music that shaped your life. Younger women can appreciate when a man is confident in his own tastes, even if they differ from hers. This honesty not only makes you more relatable, but also sets you apart as someone who is comfortable with who they are. Avoid trying to dress like you're in your 20s if it doesn't feel natural. Instead, focus on a style that suits you and exudes confidence. Being true to yourself is far more attractive than trying to fit into a mold that doesn't match who you are. Avoid using outdated slang. Guys over 30 should be mindful of the language they use when talking to younger women, especially when it comes to slang. Using outdated phrases like cool beans or rad can make you seem out of touch, or worse, like you're trying too hard to relate. Instead, focus on speaking naturally and avoiding forced slang altogether. For instance, instead of trying to use terms like lit or on fleek, which may already be passé, stick to language that's authentic to you. If you're complimenting her style, simply say, "You look great," instead of trying to pepper your compliment with trendy words. It's also a good idea to stay aware of current cultural references, but only incorporate them if they fit naturally into the conversation. Younger women will appreciate your effort to communicate clearly and authentically, rather than trying to mimic language that doesn't feel genuine to you. This approach shows that you're confident in your own identity, which is far more attractive than trying to force yourself into a trend that doesn't suit you. Avoid dated fashion choices. Guys over 30 should be mindful of their fashion choices when trying to attract younger women, avoiding styles that might come across as outdated. Fashion evolves, and sticking to trends from decades ago can make you seem disconnected from current styles. For instance, avoid wearing clothes like overly baggy jeans, graphic tees from the 90s, or outdated footwear like square-toed shoes, which can signal that you haven't updated your wardrobe in years. Instead, opt for classic, timeless pieces that are age-appropriate but still stylish. A well-fitted pair of jeans, a crisp button-down shirt, and modern sleek shoes can go a long way in creating a polished look. Also, pay attention to accessories like belts, watches, and even your choice of outerwear. These small details can make a big difference. Dressing well shows that you care about your appearance and are aware of current trends, without trying to look like you're in your 20s. Younger women will appreciate the effort you put into looking good, which helps bridge the age gap in a subtle but effective way. Be financially responsible. Being financially responsible is an attractive trait for guys over 30 when dating younger women, as it demonstrates stability and maturity. Younger women often look for a partner who has their life together, and financial responsibility is a key indicator of that. This doesn't mean you need to flaunt wealth, but rather show that you manage your finances wisely. For example, if you're planning a date, choose an experience that's thoughtful but within your budget, rather than trying to impress with extravagant gestures you can't sustain. It's also important to discuss financial topics openly if the relationship becomes serious, such as your views on saving, spending, and future planning. Demonstrating that you're not only financially stable but also thoughtful about money matters can reassure her that you're a dependable partner. Younger women appreciate when a man has a clear financial plan and is transparent about his financial situation, as it indicates readiness for a serious, balanced relationship. It's about showing that you can provide stability without overextending yourself or relying on material displays. Avoid comparing her to women your age. Comparing a younger woman to women your age is a mistake that guys over 30 should avoid at all costs. Making comments like, "Women my age are more settled," or "You're more carefree than women I usually date," can come across as patronizing or dismissive. Such comparisons can make her feel judged or inadequate, which can damage the connection you're trying to build. Instead, focus on appreciating her for who she is without drawing comparisons to others. For example, if she brings a fresh perspective to a conversation, acknowledge it with something like, "I love how you see things differently. It's refreshing." This shows that you value her individuality without making her feel like she's being measured against someone else. By avoiding comparisons, you create a space where she feels accepted and respected for who she is, rather than feeling like she's competing with an invisible standard. This approach fosters a healthier, more positive relationship dynamic that respects the differences between you while celebrating the connection you share. Keep up with pop culture references. For guys over 30, keeping up with pop culture references is a smart move when attracting younger women. This doesn't mean you need to know every trending meme or viral video, but having a basic awareness of current music, movies, TV shows, and social media trends can help bridge the age gap. For example, if she mentions a popular Netflix series or a trending TikTok challenge, being able to engage in that conversation shows that you're in tune with her world. You don't have to pretend to be a fan, but knowing what's popular can make your interactions smoother and more relatable. A simple acknowledgement, like saying, "I've heard a lot about that show, what do you like about it?" can go a long way. It demonstrates that you're open to her interests and willing to engage with the things that matter to her. Keeping up with pop culture references helps you stay connected and relevant, making conversations more engaging and showing that you're not out of touch with her generation. Don't rush the relationship. One important thing for guys over 30 to remember when dating younger women is not to rush the relationship. Younger women may be at different stages in their lives, exploring careers, education, or personal growth, and might not be ready to settle down quickly. Pushing for commitment too soon can create unnecessary pressure and might push her away. Instead, focus on enjoying the journey of getting to know each other without an immediate need for labels or long-term plans. For example, instead of asking, "Where do you see us in 5 years?" early on, try saying, "I'm really enjoying our time together and looking forward to seeing where this goes." This approach gives her the space to explore the relationship at her own pace, which can make her feel more comfortable and valued. By not rushing things, you show that you're patient and willing to let the relationship develop naturally, which is often more appealing and less intimidating for younger women. For more contents like this, click here to subscribe.